Are you looking to get into one bag travel, but aren't quite sure where to start or what bag to go with? Well, today you clicked on the right video because we're going to be looking at 3 of the best travel backpacks of 2024. We're also going to take a look at 3 more backpacks that I'm excited to try out in 2025, all of which are going to be perfect for 2-week travel. So thanks so much for watching today. And if you aren't yet subscribed to the channel, I just want to give you a quick second to do so. All right, let's get started. So the first bag on today's list is the Navigator T-66 from tomtoc. And tomtoc is a California-based travel brand that manufactures really high-quality gear for really affordable prices. The Navigator comes in at 20.5 inches by 13 inches by 8.66 inches with a capacity of 40 liters, and it weighs just 2.9 pounds. The bag comes in 2 colorways, the black you see here, as well as a gray, and it is made with a 100% post-consumer recycled fabric that comes from plastic bottles. The Navigator T-66 comes in at $86 US. This is such a great entry into one bag travel, as it won't break the bank and it's our largest capacity bag on the list. So it has plenty of room in the large main compartment for anything you may need to bring along on your trip. Also, it's extremely comfortable to carry. The next bag on our list is the Max EDC from Carry. And Carry is a Hong Kong-based travel brand making really design-forward, sleek, and super comfortable backpacks. The Max EDC backpack comes in at 19.6 inches by 11.8 inches by 7.5 inches with a capacity of 26 liters, and it weighs just 3.5 pounds. The bag comes in 4 colorways, the ocean blue you see here, as well as a desert brown, earth green, and tarmac black. And the bag is made with X-Pack and Cordura 1000D nylon. The Max EDC comes in at $280 US. And this is a great bag for someone who really values organization. There is a large main compartment for clothes, another front compartment that will fit a pair of shoes, and also a great admin pocket for all of your tech needs. There is a place for everything. And the last bag on our best of 2024 list is the Panda pack from Pioneer Carry. And Pioneer is a California-based travel brand making durable, high-end travel gear that also looks super sharp and professional. The Panda pack comes in at 17.5 inches by 8 inches by 11.5 inches, and it has a capacity of 25 liters. It also weighs just 2.7 pounds. The bag comes in 1 colorway, which is the black you see here, and it is made with a Mandarin 840 twist yarn ballistic nylon. The Panda pack comes in at $395 US. And while this bag does have a pretty hefty price tag compared to the others on the list, I do think it is worth every penny because this is a bag you will have for life. The bag is versatile in that it works for either a business trip or a family vacation, and it has a really unique look with its chunky, heavy-duty zippers, and it's made to stand up on its own. It's a beautifully designed bag. So now that we've taken a look at the top travel bags of 2024, I want to preview some of the new travel bags I'm excited to try out in 2025. And let's start with the Expandable travel backpack from California-based Tortuga. This bag is unique in that it starts as a 27-liter backpack, but it can actually unzip and expand to 32.5 liters for 20% more packing space when you need it. It's a really cool concept, and I can see this coming in handy when you're on a long trip where you know you'll be buying some souvenirs to bring back home. I've always really loved the simplistic look of Tortuga bags, and I'm really excited to do full reviews on some of their products in the upcoming year. Next up is the 38-liter travel backpack from Australian-based Minimul. And this is a heavy-duty travel bag. It has tons of pockets for all your packing needs, and the back panel and inside of the bag has this really cool orange color. This is a big bag, but the design makes it still seem pretty sleek and minimal. See what I did there? This company only has one bag at the moment, so I'm excited to try it out while the brand is still in its early stages. And then lastly, we have the Go Anti-Theft 34-liter Carryon backpack from Hong Kong-based Pacsafe, which is the longest running brand out of all of the ones covered in this video. And Pacsafe really focuses on anti-theft features when it comes to their bags. This backpack is pretty neat in that the shoulder straps unhook so you can actually attach your bag to a secure object like a bench. The zippers are lockable so no one can open it while you're carrying it. And some of the pockets are RFID safe to prevent personal info from being scanned. There's some really interesting features that I'm excited to check out in a future video. But that's going to do it for this video. What do you think of my list, and what are your favorite travel backpacks? Be sure to leave them below in the comments. And as always, I just want to say thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.